Anyone here called Shupikai? Hold it. Pastor, talk to her. She will tell you there's never been a day in her life where she wasn't feeling pain. From the day she was named until today. And I will pray against the name and the pain will leave today.
Come on, somebody, put your hands together for Jesus. Men of God, 110%.
You will see similar cases here. Something is happening in this place today. You are getting a new name from the Lord. What is it, Pastor?
She says her life has been a life of pain and bitterness from day one to date. Exactly like you said. That is his sharpness, our Father.
Shupikai, we are going to pray for Mama here. Every disease has been going through pain ever since.